It's African Day Festival, celebrating our motherland. This African Day at the Village Market, African Day Festival. And you know what? Your favorite, the Fashion Vogue, is here to give you and welcome you to where fashion meets class. And you know what? In this channel, it's all about fashion, trends, styles, glam, and also checking out what people are wearing out there, analyzing their styles, and of course, who owe it better. In today's video, we are here at Lintons Village Market where we meet with Victoria, who is dedicated BC for Lancome. And BC, we talk about beauty consultant. And we got curious why her makeup was different. And guess what? She told us she's celebrating the Mother Nature this African Day held at the Village Market. And you know what? We couldn't go without checking out what she's doing. And guess what? We loved her African makeup. And you know what? Here at the Fashion Vogue, we couldn't miss and ask her some questions, which she was trying to explain to us what was going on. And as we check what is Victoria doing, I hope that this channel will bring you what you've always desired to see. You know what? It's all about fashion. So let's go without wasting time. Let's go and see what Victoria is doing. And here we got curious to ask Victoria what was she doing, and she told us that Lancome is just celebrating the Mother Nature of African beauty. And before I let her go, I wanted to know which paint that she has used. I thought it's a white paint, and she told me no, it's all about Lancome products. And here, the white paint she used, the concealer for white people. Wow, that was quite interesting, and creativity was there. And you know what? African tribal makeup. What do we talk about when we talk about the African tribal makeup? What does that mean? Tribal makeup is beauty for many African people, both an art and it demonstrates the social belonging of a person. Wow, that is nice. And this indicates status and it conveys a strong cultural meaning. And you know what? Thank you so much for keeping it here. But before we go, I want to tell you, what is the African word for black beauty? I know most of you don't know, but I'm going to tell you before I go. Lela. Lela is a Swahili origin meaning black beauty. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for keeping it here. I will see you on the next one. Please don't forget to go to Village Market and celebrate the Mother Nature of the African beauty. And if you're here, please just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and we will see you on the next one. This is the Fashion Vogue, where fashion meets class. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.